about getting married in like somebody's backyard or renting a house? Does that save you money?
So that is a really common myth. Because the wedding venue is the single largest line item on your wedding budget, you think, oh, I'll just get married at my parents' house. The problem with that is unless that house, that home, that venue is set up to do events, you have to bring everything in. You're bringing in bathrooms, you're bringing in all the catering, you're bringing in all the rentals. It's not that your wedding will be cheaper, you'll just be allocating that money differently. So there is something nice about a wedding venue that has everything dialed. Oftentimes venues have their own rentals. They have tables, chairs, they have a lot of these things figured out. And most importantly, most of them have catering kitchens, which is a huge thing.
Yeah, where are you going to put all the food?
And that takes tenting. That takes
another fee
exactly
for grills, for tenting. Yeah.
So it can be very, very expensive.